see you guys there. If you're wondering about this extra fluffy, puffy slime and want to make it, well, today is your day. Just watch more to find out how to make it. So let's roll in the ingredients. So, what you will need for this project is school glue, PVA glue, not this much, shaving foam, which is the exact, not the exact, the special ingredient. A activator, which I'm using borax solution. Baby oil gel, which this isn't really needed, but it's a really good idea. A mixing bowl and utensil. And also parent supervision or permission, which I can't really show you guys, but yeah. So, the first step is to pour our Elmer's glue into our bowl like we would regularly. Which I'm not making that much to show you guys, like that's it or so. Yeah. There. So you really need to mix this, and you also can add food coloring, but I forgot to grab that, so. Also, a good tip is to angle it upwards. And you have to add a lot of this. Like, about 2 times as much as your glue. If it's over fluffified, which I might have, just add a little bit more glue, so that's good. Yeah, so sometimes if you make a small batch like I am, it can easily get over fluffified because there's a lot of shaving foam. Do you call it shaving foam or shaving cream? Comment down below. Okay. Next step is, if you do want to use this, you don't have to use gel, but I just am because tiny, that's good. There. And mine's purple. Good job, because it's I'm gonna see it better. It's better to add this in when you're mixing it. Don't tell me I didn't warn you, because you're gonna have a hard time cleaning your floor or your surface. Just add a tiny bit of activator, which the shaving cream I find kind of activates it a little bit faster than it does usually with no shaving cream. That's why you have to be extremely cautious and extremely careful when you're making extra fluffy, puffy slime, or just any fluffy slime. And if you do make fluffy slime, it is just going to be a smaller ratio of shaving cream. So, and you also want to knead very early. So once it gets to this like marshmallow fluff stage, then you just dip in one of your hands. I repeat, one of your hands. That way you can activate with this hand. So, yep. If you see hands, that's my mom. And we're gonna take this. Shaving cream expands your slime. Let me grab some of the extra stuff. Make sure you always do that, so that way you can get all the stuff. Yeah, I might have overactivated it quite a bit. So, yeah. Make sure you add a very little amount of activator, less than I did. And if you do overactivate it, this is where this part comes in handy. Just add a bunch of baby oil or baby oil gel. I'm using gel because that's about all I have on hand. I just have to just kind of like squish it until it gets like this texture, like a weird texture. It's weird. Just knead it until it comes back to shape. It will feel all kinds of messed up, but in the end it turns out like this. And still it's not 100% enough. So in my tutorials, add about less than I did.
But you can show them.
In the slime. So what the succeeded product is, and looks like, and just is, it's this. It's super duper 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 so awesome, so soft, super duper fluffy and puffy. It's just the best texture ever. It's like a thick slime, but softer and stretchier. Just keep that in mind whenever you make an extra fluffy puffy slime. And it's also pretty glossy. See? Just one last reminder, make sure you subscribe if you want to become part of the Slime Squad. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below, #Slime Squad, to be featured in one of my next videos.